Have you ever seen a levitating wireless charger or used a smart planter? In this video, we will look at some coolest gadgets you will want this year. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Number 1. Levitating wireless charger. We all know how impressed the world was with the invention of the wireless charger. But it gets even cooler. This device can not only wirelessly charge your phone, but it levitates at an altitude at the same time. It's really quite amazing. Your phone can float in midair and be charging wirelessly at the same time for this charger. To be compatible with your phone, you will need to use the special case that comes with it. This case consists of an electricity receiver that plugs into your phone, and the case also has a magnet to help it levitate. This device can hold up to 1.3 pounds of weight and is one awesome sight to behold. It is really mind-blowing to see your phone levitating and charging at the same time. Number 2. Dark Table Lamp. Whether you're a collector of Star Wars merchandise or an avid fan with an eye for gadgets, this table lamp is the right investment to make standing at an impressive 22 inches and shaped like the dark saber from Star Wars Mandalorian. This lamp boasts fine, accurate craftsmanship and an air of undeniable coolness to any room. Cut through the dark with this beautiful piece with dimmable lighting options and a functional, easy-to-access control panel on the stem of the light. Charge up your own dark saber table lamp using the included USB charging cable and marvel at the beauty of the dark side. Number 3. Speaker Table. Are you tired of carrying around your Bluetooth speaker from one room to another? This portable table speaker may be the answer to your prayers. It houses premium 20-watt stereo speakers with built-in subwoofers for a high-quality music playback and 360-degree sound projection. The side table also has a built-in charging station for your phone and other devices. On top of this, it has a built-in 4,000 mAh battery that allows up to 4 hours of music playback that can be taken to your backyard or garden for a good picnic. It's a great gadget for any music lover. Number 4. Portable Massage Tool. It combines high-quality muscle treatment with the convenience of being super portable. This device is a powerful massage tool, small enough to be taken wherever you may go. The motor uses quiet force technology, which makes this device whisper quiet during usage, and since it is battery-powered, so you completely avoid the hassle of dealing with wires and cords. It can be used at 3 pre-calibrated speeds to therapeutically heal your muscles. The device's ergonomic design is completed with a foam tip which does not harm the body like hard plastic. This massage kit weighs less than 3 pounds and comes in a soft case that will easily fit in your bag or jacket pocket. Whether it be after a hard day of work or a difficult workout, this massage tool can be your fitness and health companion, relieving stress and pain wherever you are. Number 5. Sensorwake. This fragrance-based alarm clock will wake you gently by stimulating 3 of your senses. First, it starts off with your selected smell for 1 minute. Then for a second minute, it emits a soothing light, and in the final minute, it uses a motivating melody to wake you up happily enjoying your favorite smell. You can choose from a variety of smells like fresh coffee, tea, tree seaside, or orange. Since the Awake Trio has been named one of Google's top 15 inventions that can change the world. A great gadget that can improve your mornings. Number 6. Modular Design Kit. This is a modular creation kit that you can use to create an unlimited number of amazing structures from your home or workspace. It can be used to build lamps, pot holders, or just some amazing modern artwork for your desk. This modular design system has 5 size variations of wooden sticks and small metallic connection bolts that connect the sticks through strong magnets. There are 3 varieties of bases you can choose to begin from, and you can also use light sticks to make your design luminous. It's a great gadget with unlimited shape and design possibilities. Number 7. Premium Scanner. It's another gadget for the tech-savvy business person. This scanner is the versatile portable solution to the difficulty of transferring hard copies across distanced employees. These scanners have limitations, but this gadget has surpassed expectations both in home and office use. This scanner can quickly scan documents and convert them into editable documents, add signatures, annotate, and send to coworkers. With ease, hold meetings and social calls using the built-in microphone array and webcam. Then share your work almost instantly with the fast, efficient connection to a PC phone or tablet. You could even digitize a book collection and store your library on your tablet with each book. Number 8. Smart Planter. How would you like to have a new plant pet? Yes, you heard me right. This smart planter will turn your favorite flower into an interactive pet. All you need to do is pot your plant in this planter and choose the right plant type on your mobile app. Once it is synced with your app, it will use its sensors to analyze soil moisture, light exposure, and temperature to notify you of the condition of your plant. The smart planter has 15 built-in animated expressions and can also detect motion. This will really bring your plants to life. Number 9. Lumi. Making music is a joy in life. Many want to experience, and with this gadget you can learn to play the piano in a fun modern way using just a tablet computer and the companion app. Choose a fast, effective lesson for tips and over 100 songs to play, ranging from classical masterworks to modern pop. Visualize the upcoming keys on screen and play them reflected on the Lumi's keys, providing an immersive learning experience of light, color, and sound. Whether you're experienced or a beginner, the Lumi keyboard is a delight. That's no larger than a book and lighter than expected. It guides you every step of the way. You can even connect two Lumis together to create a full-size keyboard. Number 10. Cloud Lamp. Meet the Cloud Lamp. It's a limited edition gadget that will have everyone looking twice to believe what they're seeing. The lamp is made out of polyester to mimic the shape of the real thing. The best part about it is that it actually floats 2.75 inches off the magnetic base. It was created by a Dutch company known for creating floating objects. But this one definitely takes the cake for being their best product yet. Number 11. Tumble Dryer. Speed and convenience are at the heart of modern gadgets. This dryer hits all these specifications and more. This can dry a full load of laundry in just 15 minutes using air vacuum technology and ultraviolet sterilization. This gadget runs at lower temperatures than conventional dryers, meaning you not only save time, but also money on your utility bill. This gadget's ultimate fast dryer is ventless and uses a condenser, meaning you don't need to get a plumber in. It's perfect for rental properties, small flats and homes, or just for those who prefer to tuck their dryer out of sight or are too busy to wait for a conventional dryer to run. A great modern gadget to make life easier for you. Number 12. Spin Remote. Your home will be ready to be smart. The Spin Remote is just the gadget to seamlessly bring it into the 21st century. You can sync up most smart devices, lights, and speakers with the Spin Remote in seconds and control them through motions gestures. The Spin Companion app automates lights, controls your speakers from across the room, and never worries about leaving a light on again. Plus, updates are automatic, and a variety of presets exist for smart devices to make use easier. Developers can benefit from open API access, so possibilities are endless. Number 13. Acoustibox. For people with a taste for vintage items, prepare to fall in love with this gadget. The Acoustibox is a modern take on the classic vintage gramophone speaker. This device has an elegant design and comes in several colors that range from black with a mocha docking station to a flashy flamingo pink or a scarlet red with a metal docking station. It's compatible with iPhone 6 and later models as well as the Galaxy S series. It's extremely easy to use. All you have to do is dock your smartphone in the Acoustibox and listen to your favorite songs 3 times amplified. What's even better is it doesn't even use any electricity and doesn't need any batteries to function. This is a great gadget for any music lover out there. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.